Well, good morning. This is Monday the 21st of October, and from the 138 motorhomes, 95% left yesterday. Now you can see how Karoo camping site looks like. Our personal plans is today to Addo. It's nearly 500 kilometers. We're gonna take the back roads. We love the back roads. There's the boats. Let me turn here. And here's a biker touring with a 250cc Suzuki, and that's his house, that's his home. He's a Bedouin. Now Bedouins you will find in the desert. The meaning of Bedouin is without a fixed address. That is the meaning of Bedouin. If you didn't know it, now you know. I'm gonna stop here now at the motorhome, and this is the motorhome of Uncle Jim and Auntie Liz. Well, they have been members of the motorhome club for more than 40 years, and they and Uncle Nas, hopefully tonight we run into Nas again, Uncle Nas. But let me say bye to Uncle Jim and Auntie Liz. It was an honor to meet them. I do not know who's the oldest, Uncle Jim or Uncle Nas, but one is 95 and the other one is 94. What is the difference? Both is experiencing the grace of God. You can see the red roofs of the chalets, and just before that chalets was the caravan park that we camped. The back road to Craddock via Venterstad. This dam was built in 1965-67, if I can correctly remember, and the original name was Hendrik Verwoerd, which was the Prime Minister of South Africa at that time, and he's well known for the word apartheid. And he was also the Prime Minister that walked out of the International Assembly and declared our independence. It was tough times. The dam is about 60 or 70% full, but with the grace of God it will be 100% before Christmas. But this is our biggest man-made lake in South Africa, and there you can see the dam wall. And here's the dam wall, and my wife reminded me now that the Prime Minister of Hendrik Verwoerd, he was killed by one of his messengers in Parliament. The messenger approached him, and his name was Dimitri Stavrendas. He killed the president or the prime minister, and he stabbed him with a knife, a dolk. A dolk is both sides sharpened. And on the right hand side is the Orange River, the biggest river. We crossed it a few days ago when we visited Norval's Pond. Can you remember the steel bridge? Well, I'm going to show you. Let me show you the Norval's Pond bridge. Yeah, there's a lot of history, like in any country, and this history should not be lost. Talk to you later. The road is 480 kilometers. Dr. Hendrik Verwoerd was killed in 1966 by Dimitri Stavrendas because of his apartheid, or that time the apartheid regime and government. This dam was renamed to Karoo because the name Hendrik Verwoerd was not appropriate after 1994, the election, and the ANC became the ruling party. Dimitri Stavrendas died in 1999 in jail. Now this is Willem's Padstal. Yeah, it looks interesting. Let's go and see if they are open on a Monday. Yeah. Now listen careful. Switch off all that, and the people in your house, when you're watching this, tell them to shut up. This is important news. I have to show you where we're at. This is the Karoo. That's the little dorp of Venterstad. But let me show you. Can you guess what is that? That's the men's. Huh? Can you believe it? Not that. And here's some parkos. Is it? Yeah. Look here. Let me walk around. Yeah, here he's coming. Hello, my friend. What do you want? Huh? Are you hungry? You want to eat something? Ag nee man, nou blaas jy my vol snot, jou bliksem. You want to eat something? Ag nee man, nou blaas jy my vol snot, jou bliksem. And this is the ladies. Well, let me walk in here. And this is the ladies' view. This bloody thing. Yeah, you're not going to blow your snot on me again. I gonna. Look at my glasses. It's on my shirt, it's on my glasses, it's on my camera. Wait, let me first clean my camera. And by now, that should be a familiar face on YouTube videos. Miles of Smiles. And this is the road stall, huh? Die Padstal in Afrikaans. All you Scottish, Padstal. You have to learn Afrikaans. And look at all the beautiful flowers and decoration. Now let's go inside. Let's go inside. That's an elephant. I'm not sure if this is a buffalo or a cow. Let's say this is a buffalo. For sure. Olienout. Wat is daai? Vaderlands wilger. Swart kersieboom. Very famous. Vyeboom. Wat is daai een? Blou reën. Interesting. Wait. Don't go away. Look at this. Oh man, isn't this beautiful? The decoration, the interesting. This is when people walk the extra mile. Some vetplante. Wat is dit in Engels? Ek is nou nog te donder in oorriding wat my gespoeg het. And this is the real name of this road stall. Don't miss it. If you ever drive this road from Karoo to Venterstad, it's 10 kilometers outside Venterstad, 30 kilometers from Karoo. You have to stop here or you'll get a flat wheel. Interesting, huh? I told you, all sorts of goodies and homemade jams and homemade sauces. Homemade shoes for the winter. Amazing road stall. And here, for your English, this is biltong and droewors. Not sausage, this is droewors. And let me talk to those two ladies.
I'm Elsha, and this is Marley.
Are you two sisters?
Cousins.
Cousins?
Yes, fathers or brothers.
Now first let me tell you, I had to clean my camera now. You can still see the snot on my brill of your Paco outside. Why didn't you warn me?
Oh, sorry.
Tell me about this Padstal. Are you busy? Is it good
Yes.
business? A lot of people?
Especially during holidays, we are very busy. But about 2 years ago, her mother retired out of the parliament, and then she came to the farm. And after about a week of doing nothing,
Retired from where?
the parliament.
Yeah?
Parliament, yeah.
What parliament?
In Cape Town.
Really?
South African Parliament.
Is it? But
Yeah.
what was she there? What?
She was the
Shadow
Shadow Minister of Agriculture
Really?
for the DA.
That's good.
Yeah, and then after about a week of sitting here on the farm and not really doing anything, she decided she's gonna open a Padstal. So then she came here, drew a few lines on the ground, and then got somebody to
A
build
week
the
later,
Padstal.
the Padstal was here.
Yeah, and so now we're 2 years old, very busy during holidays. Yeah, and like we have a lot of regulars from the surrounding villages. So yeah,
Villages.
oh, villages, towns. Sorry, surrounding towns.
I am glad, and I'm
Yeah.
glad to meet the entrepreneurs, né?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I'm glad, and
That's us.
yeah.
that's you,
That's us. Yeah.
and we will support you.
Oh, thank you.
Good morning. What's your name?
I'm leave on.
Wat is hierin?
It's the dough for the roaster cook.
Dough for roosterkoek.
Yes,
Are we gonna get from this now, or you made already?
already.
Is it?
This is the second batch.
Really?
Yes, oh.
Baie dankie.
Thank you.
Even a fireplace, but it's nearly middle summer. Can you believe it? Our winters is strange, or our seasons is very strange. Interesting. So I warned you, you have to listen to this video. Come here, if you pass here without stopping, flat wheel is your penalty. Look, the auntie of the church is hungry. She's eating her
Not even fried.
roosterkoek. Now roosterkoek, to your English, this is a South African dish. It's mainly in the Karoo. Tannie of the church, is this good? On the left hand side here, Victoria Boutique Hotel here in Hofmeyer. The town of Hofmeyer here in the Karoo. Just some beautiful stuff. Interesting town, isn't it? And the purpose of this video is miles of smiles, don't forget it. And look at the beautiful buildings, old buildings. And this is a motorhome from many summers ago. Now, I wonder if I can phone home. Huh? Beautiful. And when I was young, this is how our milk was transported with train to the corporation. And this is a farmhouse, is it? Farmhouse. And this is the friendly lady from Farmhouse, Hofmeyer. This is YouTube.
Oh, are you with, there's a lady that came in here yesterday, also with a motorhome, and she said there's a few of you traveling, and that you also asked if there was a rollball.
Oh yes.
Yes. Do
We
you-
all were at Garib, 138 motorhomes.
And she said, I must tell you, you guys must go and check out the rollball field here.
Is it? Where is that?
If you go down here,
Yeah.
and you get to the stop street,
Yeah.
you're going to turn to your right, and you go straight down, and you actually bump into it.
That's our friends. They are from somewhere in Meyerton, and they are touring through the Free State and now the Eastern Cape, playing rollball at all the small little towns.
Yeah, that's what she said. She said, yeah, if you all stop here with the motorhomes, I must tell you, this town is very active playing rollball.
Thank you very much.
Okay, enjoy it.
And this will be on YouTube.
Sorry ass DJ.
Never miss these small little towns, huh? Look at this beautiful, beautiful church building here on the left-hand side. Dutch Reformed Moederkerk. Moederkerk means it's the mother church. But look at that columns in front of it, huh? It's time for a picture here. Wait. And then look at that white building on the right-hand side. Wow. Well, something special for all my friends, everyone that's looking at this YouTube. And this is the Great Fish River. Look here, huh? What a beautiful scene. And look at the water here and the water there. And that's our motorhome, our Mercedes. But let me show you. Bloody hell! That's big turbine blades, huh? Look at this one, look at this one. Wow! And look there on the left hand side. And the temperature now is 13 degrees. And it is 12:51, nearly 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And look at my fuel consumption. I'm now half tank on 498 kilometers. Well, we are about 60 kilometers away from Addo, and now we will cross this snow mountains, and we cross it through the Olifantskop Pass, Elephant's Head Pass. Beautiful weather, ain't it? Huh? This is 12.5 degrees C. Who told us it's summer? Who had the idea of summer as holiday time? No, we are not complaining. The rain is urgently needed in our country. Urgent, urgent, urgent. The summer rain season area where we live is in dire straits. He's in urgent need of rain. Good rains. "71 years married, 95 years old. Both of them is washing their motorhome. You young people like that showing us nothing is for free in life. You might ask now, what the heck is happening? Why do I vibrate? Let me show you. I'm walking on a railway track, and there's the motorhome. But this is what I want to show you. Let me turn the camera around. Unbelievable. I think he chew a little bit more than he can swallow. Oops. Let me back off. He loves Mercedeses. He wants to make a small Mercedes, but not with this one, my friend.